Did you know that Google Maps has dozens of features that most people never use? You probably open it just to find directions or check traffic, right? But what if I told you there are secret tools hidden inside that can actually save time, save fuel, and even keep you safe? In this video, I'll show you 3 hidden Google Maps features you must try right now. First, Live View. This feature turns your camera into an augmented reality guide. Instead of looking at flat maps, you'll see arrows and street names directly on your screen, overlaid on the real world. Just tap the Live View icon when you're walking, and point your camera ahead. Perfect for travelers or anyone lost in a new city. It's like having futuristic glasses that guide your every step. Second, Timeline History. Ever forgotten where you went last weekend? Google Maps secretly keeps a record of every place you visited, if your location history is turned on. Go to your profile, then your timeline, and you can view your travel routes, cities visited, and even photos taken that day. It's like your personal travel diary, automatically updated by Google. And third, Offline Maps. No signal? No problem. You can actually download entire city maps and use them without internet. Just search a location, then tap Download Offline Map. It still gives you directions, shows landmarks, and even works in airplane mode. A must-have if you travel abroad or live in areas with weak signal. So those are 3 hidden Google Maps features that can totally change the way you travel. Try them out today and see which one surprises you the most. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.